Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to manage an hourly team in Clickup using the upgraded timesheets feature. Whether you're working at an agency handling multiple clients, managing an in-house team, or just trying to improve the accuracy of your time tracking, this feature makes everything more structured and easier to control. It also helps you stay compliant, keep records clean, and understand exactly how time is being spent across your projects. To begin, open your Clickup account and navigate to the Timesheet section from the sidebar. Once you enter this area, you'll see all tracked time organized by tasks, clients, and team members. This is the central hub where all hourly tracking, editing, and approvals take place, so it's important to get familiar with how it works before making changes. One of the most useful parts of timesheets is the daily overview. When you hover over any specific day, Clickup gives you a full breakdown of that day's activity. You can see billable hours, non-billable hours, and remaining capacity for each user. This is extremely helpful for planning workloads and making sure no one is overbooked or underutilized. Next, let's go through how to add a new time entry. Click on any day in the timesheet and attach it to a task, such as a client project, email campaign, or design update. You can track time directly from the timesheet or start a timer inside the task itself. Both methods stay fully synced, so you won't lose any data no matter where you log the time. Inside each time entry, you can add detailed notes explaining what the work was about. You can also mark the time as billable or non-billable depending on the task type. This is important for agencies or teams that need accurate billing and reporting. Everything updates in real time, which keeps your records consistent and reliable. To make your tracking even more accurate, there are a few best practices to follow. Always ensure tasks are assigned to the correct team members, clients are properly linked, and your team understands when to mark time as billable. Setting these rules early helps avoid confusion later and reduces the need for corrections when reviewing reports. Once your timesheet is complete, you can submit it for approval. After submission, the assigned manager will review all entries. If something needs to be changed, the timesheet can be sent back for revisions, allowing you to update it without starting over. This keeps the approval process smooth and efficient. From the admin side, you can go into the approval section to review submitted timesheets. You have the option to approve them instantly or request changes if something doesn't look right. Admins can also set deadlines, enable reminders, and assign approvers to keep everything on schedule. For better insights, Clickup also allows you to add timesheet widgets to dashboards. These widgets help you visualize how time is being spent across clients, projects, and teams in a more structured way. That's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the video. See you in the next one.